Hello and welcome to the social place for boaters, The Drift. I'm your host, Sierra Goodwill. Let's drift sociably and check in on John, who's chipping away at our project boat. Every time we check in on our old Aquasport 225 project, there's always something new happening, and she's really starting to shine. From fresh sill leather upholstery to clever upgrades and additions from our friends at Boat Outfitters. John, what's new on deck?
Our Aquasport here is on the hard, ready for the off-season. The perfect time to do some projects on our project boat. And what we got today from Boat Outfitters is our hatch. We talked about doing replacement hatches, and we had Boat Outfitters custom make them for us. Look at how well this is packed. This is not going to get damaged in transport. It is custom made and packaged to survive. Let's unwrap it and get it up on the deck. I'll tell you, I think unboxing is taking us longer than it's going to take to put these things in. Out it comes. Look at that hatch. Custom made, inspected, QC approved, and ready to go. Let's give it a go. I find with their product, if you get some number 8 stainless steel screws, they'll fit perfectly in these indents. And you want them to be flush here, see? Because when you walk on those, you want those to be flush. If you get a 10, it's going to stick out a little bit. So go ahead and get some 8s. And in my case, I got 8 by 1 inch. Look at the quality of this latch. That's some good stuff right there. All right, so here we go. But another thing to note, this piece here is even more packing to protect the edges. Don't go putting your hatch in with that. This is another thing that Boat Outfitters gives us just to protect these edges. Let's put a little caulking around here. I like to get caulking that's the same color as my deck, just in case if it squirts out a little bit, we're good. It's all caulked, and in it goes. All right, here we go. Let's get our screws in. You can see that caulking popping out. That's a good sign. A little caulking around the screws isn't going to hurt anything. That means it's sucking in there good. Here we go, ready? That's pulling it right in. You can tell it's got a good grab. And you can see that the number 8s make it nice and flush. No worries on that overspill, because now we're going to take our rag and we're going to clean all that up. So there you have it. Your Boat Outfitters custom-made deck hatch. Solid, packed well, delivered perfectly, and ready to go. Thanks, Boat Outfitters, for hooking these hatches up on our project boat.
It's looking better and better every time. I love our old project boat. And as always, you can find more at driftsociably.com and at Drift Sociably on social media, the social place for boaters.